Hello, good morning. It's 8:30, so we are going now to the remote service to Aganil. Now you can with overspeeding.
So that was Danny Sordo then, who we just saw make a mistake in the stage, and it's reflected immediately on the split.
Fine, 20 seconds.
It's 23.6 down. Here we go. Just can't get the car stopped to them. We want to be going left there and then bang up into the bank.
He has more stop than the others.
Yeah, now you can.
Position is done for tomorrow, you know.
Yeah, this is the main problem. You know, today he had an advantage with the road position to be last on the stage with the cleaning road. You know, you have to push today to get a good road position for tomorrow. So maybe when it's raining tomorrow you have more soft, but when you start first, it's not really helpful. I think you have to go straight and then at the top to the left.
It's a different strategy, you know.
Yeah, we do like Ferrari, you know, we swap the strategy to a bad way, you know.
Yeah, but maybe tomorrow it will be good. If you're first on the road and it's raining.
Maybe. And it's just light rain and after heavy rain.
Yes.
So we are starting to look for our service space where we have later the remote service. And yeah, I was checking where's the time control and looking which time they have a bit offset to my watch. So it's not a drama, it's just 3 seconds. So now we start to prepare everything. We have to unload and we hope that they finish the stage quite well, that we have not to repair too much, just a bit of setups. Let's see how it's going later. Up. Lightweight. This is the toe in the air tool. Like this, with this tool we can check the toe when the car is not on the ground. So we do an alignment. After the alignment, we lift up the car. We put the tool on, and we measure the value what we get with our tool, and then we know our toe is like the adjustment. So when the car is coming and it's not on our value, we can readjust it to be, just for example, to do the toe back to 0 or something like this. And we have the option to do as well a bit open and close. There is some millimeters on. I'm preparing paper to give to the driver, that they can clean the windows. Theoretically, they have enough in the car. It's just in case.
Maybe the jack you can control it, but we cannot do anything. If the jack is failed, we cannot change it, so leave it there.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep the list open, I will take my paper copy.
It should be around 50. I mean, if it's 62 instead of 50, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I mean,
So, ready to go. So the car will come in 5 minutes, no, in 10 minutes, and then we have to do a remote service. Mainly we change tires and a bit of setup. Let's see what we find as well. Maybe something is damaged from the stages. So this is the main job now. It's just allowed with 3 mechanics to work on the car. So the drivers can help us as well. When there is something bigger, that we manage everything in time. We have 20 minutes. So like this, it's now the main job. Thank you. The camera back to your car, yeah? Yes, I come. So now I have to go to the tire marking. I'm preparing the service now for the flexi service 45 minutes this evening. So we planned already before to change all the suspension parts for safety, to check them tomorrow for cracks and for any damages, so that we know the car is fresh with all the parts for tomorrow morning, because we have not to be worried about any parts.
Let's check properly the cooling package, not to change it, but to see if there is something, a leakage or something.
Platform, we keep the same ground
Yes,
clearance.
platform he modified for the last one,
Yeah,
but we go back to the 110, 104.
yeah.
Then we put the air bottles,
Yeah.
because he said that are missing.
So I start with to learn airplane mechanic. So then after 2 years I was on a small airport working on small planes. But then it was not so easy to get a job later, so I stopped this, and this time I was doing karting already. So I was more focused to cars, and then I get the idea to swap to car mechanics. And I was quite lucky to come to a company to learn. They had as well a rally department. So in the middle or after 1 year I was there, they asked me to join there. So I finished the learning there as well in the rally department. And like this, I got the virus even more for motorsport. So this is how it went. Thanks to the Tyre in Poland, we had to do a super rally, and that we had some broken parts, that we didn't have nice spares. We had to stop the super rally too late in the night. At 5 o'clock the cars should be in the Park Fermé, and we order parts from Germany to Poland, and they just arrived 10 minutes before we had to put the car in the Park Fermé. We just fit them in and put them in immediately, and then I think there was one or 2 hours later was already start of the next day. So for me was no sleep. I just went in the hotel, shower, and that's it. My best memory with Hyundai. Yeah, a really nice point was the podium in Central Europe. So that they let me take the trophy for the manufacturer on the podium. This was a really nice thing from Hyundai, that I can join there. And yeah, to win is always nice. And yeah, Sardinia is a really nice thing when we had the opportunity to jump in the harbor, you know. And as well for this, the first time when I was in Sardinia, we was with Hayden Patton. He was on the podium, third. So I had to wait to pick up the car to go to technical scrutineering, and then I was watching how the Volkswagen guys was jumping to the water, and I was really, this I want to do as well. So now we have done it already 3 times with my car, so it was super nice. I'm just checking the seals of the window and the doors. When you look to the front window, there is from inside, you know, they get a bit of this static thing, and now there is a bit dust glued through. So I was just checking that the door are sitting well. On the left side, I'm not 100% sure. I have to really double check it when I can touch the car. The right side looks perfect. The left side is a small opening. He was not complaining about dust. I want just to double check that we not get trouble tomorrow. So we have 25 minutes to the service, and we are almost ready with all the preparation for that. So we are just waiting that we can start.
changing the ignition if I have to change something?
So, now the day is done, it's 9:40 and we have an early finish today. It's not standard, but nice. So thank you for watching and see you again. Ciao!